Hi guys, welcome back. Saturday episode. Salman Khan was back in the house. He had some really interesting moments in the house on the show. He revealed that this week there are going to be double evictions. Swami and Manveer were chosen the Khalnayak of the house, but the most interesting part was the way Salman Khan took a stand against all the sexist comments by Swami Om. I have with me Kameshwari. She will tell us more about it.
Well, we've been seeing that since day one. Swami Om, who apparently is a tantric by profession, has never held himself back when he had to comment on any woman in the house. Whether it's Mona Lisa or Nithiba, he has never left any chance to throw a misogynistic comment over them. So of course, we were also very worried that why nobody is taking a stand against it, and finally Salman spoke about it, and also questioned the celebrities that why they are holding themselves back to not react to such things, which are very important. And being on national television, it's very important for the celebrities as well to show and portray that they stand for.
They have a stand. They are not just dummies in front of the camera. They do have a stand, but
But it's very upsetting that people never took a chance. I mean, Manveer and Manoj are the constant people in the house, and Lopamudra, who have been very consistent in giving their viewpoint and standing, taking class of Swami Om when required. But on the contrary, Rahul Dev and Gaurav Chopra, who are assumed to be the very strong contenders in the house, they never actually step against Swami Om and told him that dude, this is the point you have to be at and don't cross the limit.
I think exactly that was the worry that Salman had, that despite poking these celebrities in last week's Weekend Cover as well, that you guys really have to stand up and buck up yourself, but then again 1 week down and nothing changed. So I think that's where Salman was. He really had to grill them, and it was good to see him finally doing that. Also, we had another thing that Rohan became the captain of the house, but we saw how he has been really acting like a dictator in the house, and then Salman Khan actually spoke about that. He questioned
and he somehow wasn't feeling good about it. Salman, why he's questioning me? Why should I be the one taking participating or standing up for something wrong, which I don't want to be there. I don't want to
actually. I think it was fine because I mean there were enough questions for even the audience why Rohan was taking certain decisions in the house, like changing of beds and then just throwing Manveer and Manu inside the jail
and saying mera man nahi
batane ka. But I think the way Salman asked him, I don't think there was anything wrong with that, but Rohan didn't like it.
And then neither did Salman, because the way Rohan was actually behaving in front of him, I am sure he must have irked Salman. And I was telling him, so my mom and I watched the show together, and I was telling my mom ki iska career khatam hai, aaj ke baad ye gaya.
So that was a really different side of Rohan we saw yesterday, because he was just not bothered what Salman was saying. Salman even had to say ki he had to just pinch him ki I'm talking to you, why aren't you giving the required replies to me. So that was another thing that happened on the show. Then
the surprise element was also Moni Roy's entry on the show, who was there in her full-on Nagi avatar, and she also made him dance.
And Salman was awesome. He like really left everybody in splits by his Nag act. So and Moni was there to promote her film Tum Bin 2, where she's done an item song. But overall, at the end of it, Salman announced the name of the first evicted candidate, which was Karan Mehra. He was the first celebrity to be evicted last night. Firstly, the celebrities just couldn't accept the decision. They thought Salman is again playing around, because they still thought that no celebrity can walk out of the house, but that was not true. Karan walked out of the house, leaving celebrities shocked. Rohan was crying like anything, maybe because they worked together in a show.
But I think it's also good because it's kind of wake up call for celebrities that dude, if you don't do anything, that's what's gonna happen at the end of the day. So
and then let's see what happens, because there is another eviction tonight. We really don't know. Mona, Lokesh and Rahul Dev are still in the eviction zone. Who will walk out of the house? We'll get to know by tonight. And let's hope for another interesting episode. Alia Bhatt is coming tonight to promote her film Dear Zindagi, but without Shah Rukh Khan. Let's see if she'll be able to pull off her entire promotions alone. I'm sure it will be interesting to watch. Just stay tuned for the next episode.